news. The struggle is real, guys. The struggle have been real. Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is gonna be all about my skincare updates, guys. Like, if you've been following my journey, you guys know that the struggle has been real when it comes to acne. I told you guys that I've actually had acne for over 15 years now, if not probably more than that. It's been such a long time. Like, I remember, like, you know, when you start being aware of yourself, aware of your body as a little girl, you know, I remember as at my, I think my JSS1 or so, I already had, you know, few acne on my face, and this is probably around 10 or 11. So I would say, like, technically I started breaking out when I was probably 12, 13, and ever since then, guys, I haven't had a break. It's been from one acne to the other. I've tried a lot of dermatologists. I've tried a lot of skincare products. Like, you guys, one thing about me is when it comes to acne, I take it very, 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 very seriously. I take it very, very personal because I know I also struggle with that. So, like, whenever I'm telling you guys about products, about things I use for my acne, just know that, like, it's coming from me, it's coming from my heart. And I would say that I actually got a break when I was pregnant with my with my son Ace. And yeah, that is one stage of my life that I would actually say maybe for a few months I didn't break out. Like, there was no acne, everything was smooth, everything was good. That I even made a joke. I was telling you guys, I said, the way I'm looking at my acne is as if my body just wants me to always be pregnant, because that's the only time I noticed that I didn't break out, you know, when it comes to the acne journey and everything. And even after I had Ace, you know, it took me quite a while to start breaking out. But recently, as you all can see, I have few, you know, breakouts on my skin right now, and I would say this is an outcome of Thanksgiving. I feel like the holiday season is the perfect time to just lay back and relax yourself. You know, it's a perfect time not to even worry about anything. You just want to lay back, you just want to relax, you just want to eat. And what you guys are seeing on my skin right now is an aftermath of my Thanksgiving shenanigans, you know, everything I ate during Thanksgiving. My acne journey have actually been an interesting one, and whenever I go back to my pictures or to my videos, I mean my videos in 2013, 2014, 2015, 2016, just looking at that video, or, you know, the pictures, I will try as much as possible to insert them in this video. Just looking at the progress, I would really say that my skin have actually come a long way. It's not exactly where I want it to be. Like, right now, I've actually been using this product right here. This is called the Nebulyft. I've shared this a lot of times in my vlogs. You guys see me casually using it, you know. It's something like I can use when I'm just relaxing in the bedroom, if I'm laying down, maybe watching a movie, maybe I'm in the kitchen, you know. It's just something I always, you know, use any and everywhere. That is one of the reasons I absolutely love this product. And it's an anti-aging device, you know. It's a device that is meant to help with, especially with your dark spots, with your hyperpigmentation. If you have a lot of those, one thing about acne is the fact that, you know, when you break out, it's okay, but then the problem is when, like, the acne goes away, it always leaves all these dark spots, all this hyperpigmentation, which I have a lot of it. And I've actually gotten my skin to kind of I would say I was able to get my skin to a very nice stage. There was a time, I would say maybe 5 weeks ago, a lot of you guys were like, "Oh, Omabel, whatever you're using is working, just continue with it." Or before I ate my Thanksgiving, you know, food that actually caused me to start breaking out again. And, you know, presently I have few hyperpigmentation, but this product have been able to, you know, just put my hyperpigmentation, my dark spots at bay. It actually helps a lot with lightening. It helps a lot with, you know, tightening, with making sure that your skin produces a lot of collagen. And you guys know, when your skin produces collagen, guys, it helps a lot. Like, the more collagen your skin produces, it makes you look younger. It helps a lot with the healing process of your skin. So let's assume your acne usually maybe lasts for, like these days, my acne probably lasts for maybe 2-3 days, because of the fact that even when I'm breaking out, guys, I just make sure I use this particular product. It's recommended to use this product like every single day, but because of the fact it has like micro what is it called, micro dots, right? I'm going to show you guys all these things. So because of the fact it has micro dots, it causes kind of heat, you know, on the skin, as in on the dermis. So I feel like it's not something, although it's recommended to use it every day, but for me, if I would say probably the last week, I just found myself using it every day, because yeah, like I told you guys, I broke out a lot. But yeah, it's recommended to use it every single day. But for me, whenever I don't feel like I need, you know, to quickly get rid of my hyperpigmentation, I always end up using it maybe 3 to 4 times a week. I've introduced this one to you guys, but they recently just launched the N1 device, and this is exactly how it comes. And then when you go ahead and open it up, you will see the products. As you all can see, we have the N1 machine. So I have this white one, and also this is their new release. This is the, you know, the black one. And as you all can see by the sides, I actually also have the solution, you know. I have the serum, which also is very, very important, because when you go ahead and use this product, guys, like, you need this to apply the solution on the product. It, you know, comes with all the info that you need, you know, to be able to get the maximum use of your product. It also comes with this charger right here, so you go ahead and make sure you charge your device. And also right here I have the charging port. This is actually 100% organic, and also, oh my gosh, water based. So it's, you know, it's very, very safe to be used when you have, even if you have a combination skin, a dry skin, a sensitive skin. This is, you know, so appropriate to be used on your device. So this is exactly how the machine looks, guys. It has this very nice sleek design, you know. It also has kind of a sparkly detail on it, and then you go ahead and you want to go ahead and press this for 3 seconds, and as you all can see, once you press it 3 seconds, it comes on. And one amazing thing about the N1 is the fact that it comes with a smart one-touch button with LED for more intelligent control. So once you go ahead and just touch this, guys, like, it comes on immediately. And as you all can see right here, it has some micro RF dots, and this right here is what helps a lot with, you know, collagen production. Like, when you go ahead and put it on your skin, it kind of forms little heat, like it kind of forms heat on your dermis. And you know, once that happens, it helps a lot with producing collagen. And you guys, if you're familiar with, you know, the skin and collagen production, you know collagen helps a lot with anti-aging, and this is a great anti-aging device. Not only is it, you know, perfect for hyperpigmentation, for dark spots, for skin tightening, for skin rejuvenation, it also helps a lot with, you know, anti-aging. It's a non-invasive device, so it's, you know, a device you use at the surface of your skin. There is no cuts, there is no wounds, you know. All you get from this is a very nice, like, it has this very nice warm tingling sensation when you use it. And by so doing, you guys, like, once you put it on your skin, it produces kind of micro heat, and by doing so, it's getting down your dermis. But of course, if you have a lot of hyperpigmentation, a lot of dark spots, blemishes, it's gonna take you maybe, I would say, 2-3 weeks. That was when I now started seeing all the results. And this particular one right here, I've had it for like months, probably 5-6 months now, and it's been doing an amazing job for me. So I'm going to show you guys how to use this N1 right here.
Okay guys, so I went ahead and just took off my makeup, and I went ahead also and applied the gel onto the device. And as you all can see, I started from the kind of the, you know, I'm working my way up. You know, when we're working for skin tightening, you know, in as much as I use this product specifically for my hyperpigmentation, for my dark spots, it's also very, very good for skin lifting, for anti-aging. So the best way to use it is to work from down up, because you guys know as you're aging, gravity is pulling your skin down. So in order to kind of reverse it, right, you want to work from down to up. So that is basically what I'm doing. So first thing is, I love to tackle like my cheek area, my chin, my forehead, and then also I love to tackle like my neck. Over here I'm tackling my forehead, but yeah, I also like to go ahead and kind of stretch my neck, because you guys know one place that actually shows people's age, especially women, a lot is the neck. So I just like to kind of pull my neck and, you know, also do it there. And lastly, I just focus on the areas where I have like a lot of breakouts or dark spots, and I just press it there and, you know, leave it for a while, and that is it. And the last thing I go ahead and do is to apply my skincare product, and over here I'm using my acne.org treatment, and that is basically it, you guys. Like, that is it. Of course, I'm gonna link this product in my description box in case you guys are interested, and I just want to wish you a very Merry Christmas, and yep, I'm gonna see you guys in my next vlog. Hope you have yourself a beautiful and wonderful Christmas celebration.
Talk to me honestly, look in my eyes, don't let it fall.